How to fix Instagram app not updating to this latest version. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you fix the problem like Instagram app not updating to its latest version. So if you are suffering this problem, this video might be helpful to you. So let's get started. So on this process, you will be able to solve this problem by doing several methods. So let's get started. So on the first method, you will have to open your settings on your device. So simply have to open the settings. Alright, so now from here you'll have to go the options app. So simply you have to go the section app, and now from here you will have to find the Instagram app. So you have to find the Instagram app. So after you find the Instagram app, you will have to open the Instagram app, and now from here you will have to go the options first stop. So it will appear on the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on the first stop option. Alright, so now click on this OK. Alright, so after you done this, you will have to go the option storage. So it will be on the usage section. So simply have to tap on the storage. And now from here, you'll have to tap on this clear data option and usually click on OK. Alright, so after you've done this, your problem might be solved now and you can enjoy the latest feature that is available on the latest version of Instagram. So if you are still facing this problem, the last method you'll have to do is you have to uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it from your App Store or Play Store. So you have to uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store, and now from there your problem might be solved now. So this is the simplest and easiest method to solve the problem like Instagram app not updating to its latest version. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.